Hello! Here's another example of polynomial long division. We have x to the fourth minus x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1. So in order to find the result of this division between two polynomials is to create this situation here. Alright, then we begin the algorithm. Step 1 is to get the leading value here divided by the leading value here. Compute their ratio. Get the value of that ratio, put it on top right here. Next, step 2. Get that value of their ratio and multiply it times what's outside here. Now I get x to the fourth plus x squared. I bring that value right here, x to the fourth plus x squared. I create a subtraction bar. Then I make that subtraction bar an addition bar by distributing a minus. Then I combine like terms. These two cancel. There is no x cubed term, so that comes down. X squared and x squared cancel. There is no x term, so this comes down and this comes down. And I begin the algorithm once again. So I have the first step in the algorithm. I get this leading term divided by that. I get negative x as a result. I bring this up here. So I get added a negative x. Step 2 of the algorithm. Multiply that negative x times what's out here. That gives me negative x cubed minus the x. I bring that over here to negative x cubed minus an x. I create a subtraction bar. Then I distribute a negative through to make it an addition bar. Combine my terms, the x cubes cancel, the x cancels, and all that comes down is 1. Then start the algorithm again. I get 1 divided by here, x squared. Notice that this does not break down any further. 1 over x squared does not divide through evenly. Because of this fact, that's how we know that the algorithm terminates. So at this point, the algorithm terminates. This information is no longer useful or needed. This information is what is valuable. This is called the remainder. And so the value of this division is what's on top, this x squared minus the x plus 1 over the value that was out here, x squared plus 1. And so this is the result of the polynomial division. Thanks for watching.